Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the critical topic of designing secure application access, focusing on how AWS services can help us build a robust security foundation. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why securing application access is so important. Our goal is simple. We want to ensure that only authorized users and systems can access our applications and their data. This reduces the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access. A fundamental building block for secure application access in AWS is Identity and Access Management, or IAM. IAM helps us manage users, groups, and roles while ensuring we follow the principle of least privilege, granting just the right amount of access needed to get the job done. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access. Taking IAM a step further, IAM roles are especially useful when working with AWS services like EC2, Lambda, and ECS. Instead of hard-coding credentials, we assign roles that provide temporary credentials. This not only reduces credential leaks but also automates rotation, keeping our security posture strong. Managing access across multiple AWS accounts and business applications can get complex. That's where AWS Single Sign-On, or SSO, comes in. It allows users to log in with their corporate credentials and integrates with Microsoft Active Directory and SAML 2.0, creating a seamless and secure experience. Now, what about your web and mobile applications that need user authentication? Amazon Cognito is the go-to service. It supports user registration, login, and multi-factor authentication. Plus, it works with social logins like Google and Facebook, as well as enterprise identity providers via SAML 2.0. Encryption is another key piece of application security. AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, allows us to centrally manage encryption keys. It helps us encrypt data both at rest and in transit, and integrates seamlessly with other AWS services for a comprehensive encryption solution. We often need to store sensitive information like database credentials or API keys. AWS Secrets Manager and Systems Manager Parameter Store help us do that securely. They allow fine-grained access control and even support automatic rotation, reducing the risk associated with long-lived secrets. Let's not forget about network security. VPC security groups act as virtual firewalls for instances, while network ACLs control traffic at the subnet level. Together, they let us define who can reach our applications based on IP addresses, protocols, and ports. Web applications face unique threats like malicious attacks and DDoS attempts. AWS WAF protects against common web exploits, while AWS Shield provides advanced DDoS protection. These tools ensure our applications remain secure and available, even during large-scale attacks. To wrap things up, we've covered several AWS services that help us design secure application access. From IAM and roles to encryption, secrets management, and network security. These tools work together to protect our data and ensure that only authorized users and systems can access our applications.